Yes, good morning students. Welcome everyone in the class of mathematics for class 7th, and here it is the first video for this week where I will explain the chapter integers for revision. Okay, so you can see, let's start. See, there are various types of numbers. These are basics of this chapter, integers. So first we have to understand natural numbers. You can see these are natural numbers. So all the counting numbers, we can say that they are forming the set of natural numbers. As for example, 1 2 3 4 5 dot dot dot, it goes towards the positive infinity, and this set of numbers is forming natural numbers. Okay, now next we have to understand the whole numbers. Now you can see the definition here. All natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. Okay, all the natural numbers together with 0, that means 0 is also included with the natural numbers, then this set of numbers is known as whole numbers. As for example, here you can see 0 is included with the natural numbers, 0 1 2 3 4 5 dot dot dot. These numbers are forming the whole numbers. Okay students, now next we have to see the set of integers. You see the definition first. Try to understand that all the natural numbers, 0 and negatives of natural numbers are called integers. We can say this also, that all the natural numbers, 0 and negatives of counting numbers, because counting numbers are only the natural numbers. Okay, so we can say in both the way, all the natural numbers in between 0 also, natural numbers, 0 and negatives of natural numbers, that means -1, -2, -3, so on towards the negative infinity, they are forming the integers. As for example, here I have shown, you can see minus dot dot dot, -5, -4, -3, it is forming the set of the integers, and integers are positive and negative both. You can see in the next page. You can see first I'm showing you positive integers. So this is the set of positive integers. Okay, going towards the positive infinity, it has no end. Okay, next you see negative integers, so that we can write like this, that is -1, -2, -3, -4 dot dot dot, this way. These all are forming the set of negative integers. Okay students, now about the 0. What is 0 here? 0 is an integer which is neither positive nor negative. It is just neutral, we can say. It has no, we cannot give the sign positive or negative with 0. It is neither negative nor positive. That's clear. Next I want to discuss about, you see, addition of integers. Okay, you see that, suppose that you have to find the sum of 15 and 18. Here the first number is positive, 15 is positive, and the second number -18 is negative. So we can say like this, you can see 15 plus -8. So this plus and minus sign, actually here they will multiply. These two signs will multiply here students, we can say. So when these two signs will multiply, this plus and minus, it will give you here 15 minus 8, that means the result is +7. Okay, next this I am giving that first number is negative, -16 and -9. So find the sum of this number. We will find like this only. You have to solve like this, that -16 plus 9. So whenever such is the case that one number is negative and the other number is positive, and you are adding such numbers, then what you do, find the difference of these two numbers and give the sign of the greater numerical value number. Give the sign of the number which has the greater numerical value. Here 16 has greater numerical value than 9. Don't consider the sign when you are seeing the numerical value. Okay, 16 is greater than 9, so you have to put the sign of 16 here, -7. That's clear. Now next you see that both the numbers are negative here, minus 48 and minus 12. Wow. So see how we will do this. So here plus and minus, that sign will multiply here, students. That will give you the result. In between you can see I have written here plus, okay, because you are adding the two negative integers here. Okay, then you will do like this, plus and minus, when you will multiply that, then 48 minus 48 minus 12, this will give you the result minus 60. This we can do like this also, students. This we can do like this also, that whenever the two numbers integers have the same sign, such as here both the numbers are negative only, then add the two numbers and give that common sign to the result. Such as both the numbers are negative, then the result is also negative only. And same way, if both the numbers are positive, suppose that 48 and 12 you are adding, then 48 plus 12 is 60, and the result you will give the sign, the common sign, plus 60 only. Okay, this we are using when both the numbers have the same sign. Then simply add both the numbers and give the common sign to the result, that means to the sum. Okay, students, next I have to discuss additive inverse of integers. See here and try to understand. Additive inverse of minus 85 is plus 85. That we can write. Only you have to change the sign of that integer, students. The sign associated with that number, that you have to change. If it is minus 85, write it plus 85. Okay. Next we have to see that additive inverse of plus 85 is equals to minus 85. You have seen that how the nature changes here. The positive number becomes negative, but the numerical value is same here, 85 only. So additive inverse of 85 is minus 85. And the most interesting fact, you see that 85 plus minus 85, you will see that this plus and minus will multiply here. Then 85 and minus 85 is equals to 0. This we can say like this also, that when the numbers have opposite sign and you are adding and their numerical value is same, then the result will be 0 only. It is plus 85 and it is minus 85, and you are adding such numbers where the numerical value is same, only the sign is opposite, then the result will be 0 only, because both the values will cancel each other. Next, so we can say the sum of two integers which are additive inverse of each other is always 0. Okay, sum of two integers, here only you see in this example 85 and minus 85, they are just additive inverse of each other, and their sum comes 0. So we can say the sum of two integers which are additive inverse of each other. Here additive inverse of 85 is minus 85 and additive inverse of minus 85 is plus 85, and their sum comes 0. Okay, students. Next you see, yes, subtraction of integers. So some questions you have to see here, that 28 from minus 42. So how we will subtract that? After all, you have to subtract from minus 42. So first you will keep minus 42, then you will write 28. Okay, so this way we will write minus 42 minus 28, because you have to subtract, so you will write minus 28. Now both the numbers are negative, then add both the values and give that common sign here again. That number is minus 70. 42 plus 28 will give you minus 70. Minus, both you will write the common sign there, because both the numbers are negative here, that's why. Next you see 36 minus 36 from 45. Here the first number is negative, student. You see the changes in both the questions. Okay, so you will do what? Minus 36 from 45. So 45 minus 36. What you will do here? Here minus and minus, again that sign will multiply here. Okay, in between the two numbers you have seen the two minus sign is there associated there, so they will multiply. Then 40 minus into minus, here plus I have written, then you will write that 45 plus 36 equals to 81. So this is the result. Next type of question, here both the numbers are negative. Minus 52 from minus 8. The third type of question for subtraction. You see that here we can do like this, that minus 8 we can write that minus 8 minus 52. Okay, minus 8 minus 52. So both the here signs are negative here coming. So minus 52 you will write in the bracket. See, I have written that minus 52 in the bracket here I have to write. So minus 8 minus 52, this again this minus sign will multiply, which are coming together here. So minus 8 plus 52 equals to 44, because they have opposite sign. Then find the difference and give the sign of the greater numerical value. Here 52 has the greater value than 8, so you will give the positive sign in the result, that is 44. Okay student, that is 52 minus 8 you can do here. That's simply 52 minus 8. That will give the result here 44. Okay students, next. Now I want to explain this question based on the subtraction only. The sum of two integers is minus 16. If one of them is 30, then find the other. One of them is 30, then find the other. So according to the question, you see, let the other number, we can say that it is x. Then according to question only, their sum is minus 16. So we can write that x plus 30 equals to minus 16. Okay. Then we can say that solve this equation, x equals to this minus 30, this plus 30 you have to take on the RHS side. Then minus 16 minus 30, that will give the result minus 16 minus 30 equals to minus 46. Just I have shown the subtraction. Both the numbers are negative, then add both the numbers and give the common sign. That is, hence the other number is minus 46. Okay students, I hope it is clear. Okay, now next, comparing integers, that you have to understand, very important it is. Okay, comparing integers, you see, such as when you have to compare 21 is greater or 15 is greater, obviously everyone will say that 21 is greater than 15. Okay, but minus 21 at the same time, minus 21 is less than minus 15. That means when you are taking the same integers, when same numbers in negative terms, that means both the numbers when comes negative, then the things becoming just opposite. That means the greater sign will just reverse. That means minus 21 is less than minus 15. Okay, that this is the rule only. 21 is greater than 15, but minus 21 is less than minus 15. This rule comes from there also, that the negative integers, that the smaller integers are lying on the left side of on the number line. So minus 21 is lying on the left side of minus 15 on the number line. Okay, and one more number you can see, that 9 is greater than 5. We know that 9 is greater than 5, but minus 9 is less than minus 5. Minus 9 is less than minus 5. At the same time, we can say when the number comes negative, both the number value is same, but when you are taking in negative terms, then minus 9 is less than minus 5. Okay, now about the 0 also we are comparing with all the numbers, negatives or positives. So you have to understand this. 0 is greater than all the negative integers. This is very interesting thing about 0, that 0 is greater than all the negative numbers. Example we can see here, that 0 is greater than minus 95. 95 is very much greater number only, but it is negative. So 0 is greater than minus 95, and 0 is greater than minus 4 also. And at the same moment we can see that 0 is less than all the positive integers. This is also the nature of 0, that 0 is less than all the positive integers. Okay, then for example we can see 0 is less than 95. This time I have taken plus 95. Okay, and 0 is less than 4 also. So this way we can say that 0 is less than all the positive integers and 0 is greater than all the negative integers, because 0 lies in between only, in between of the negative integers and positive integers. All the negative integers are lying on the left side of 0, on the number line, and all the positive integers are lying on the right side of 0 on the number line. So that's all, students, for today's class. Now I would like to give you some homework also for revision. You will do R.S. Agarwal from R.S. Agarwal book, chapter number 1, integers. Solve exercise 1A, question number 2 to 4 and question number 12 to 14. And in the next exercise 1B, previous I have given that exercise 1A. Now from exercise 1B, question number 1 and 2. Okay, students, so this you will do. I hope you will do the homework sincerely. So thank you all of you.